Hello again. So if you're a SkyQ customer, or perhaps you're looking to purchase SkyQ and you would like to watch Sky on more than one TV in your household, you might be aware of something called Sky Multiscreen. What this allows you to do is to watch Sky on a different TV in your house via a SkyQ mini box. It's a subscription service, and currently it's priced between £10 to £14 depending on what sort of deal you can get. However, as an alternative, you can use these HDMI over Coax extender boxes for a one-off price of about £75. This will allow you to watch Sky on a second TV without any subscription, and I'll show you how to do it. So you will require an HDMI splitter for this setup, but if you're running your set-top box via an amp or soundbar, it's possible that you may have this functionality built in, so check before purchasing. So it is possible to complete this job using simple screw type F connectors, but I'd highly recommend this kit. It comes with everything you need and it will ensure your connectors are held on super securely. The HDMI extenders are supplied in pairs, and also included are two 5-volt DC power supplies. One extender is marked up transmit and the other receive. I'll show you which one goes where in a moment. So this is the main TV in the house, and it's connected directly to the SkyQ box, and currently it's the only TV in the house that can receive a Sky signal. So the plan is to split the outputs from the SkyQ box and send one end via this HDMI over coax extender to a second TV, which is located in the kitchen. I'll show you that now. So this is the second TV, and this can receive just plain old Freeview at the moment. So once we've got the two ends connected, hopefully we'll achieve a cut price multicast. So let's go through the setup, starting with the SkyQ box. So the output of the SkyQ box, the HDMI output, that goes to the HDMI splitter. One end of the output splitter goes to the TV as normal, and the other end will go to the HDMI over coax extender. Now it's important that on this end you use the box marked up TX for transmitter. Now the other end of the box has a B and C connector, which will be going to the kitchen TV via a coax cable, and that's what we'll look at now. Okay, so we're now ready to strip the coax in preparation for the F connector. So if your crimping kit came with one of these strippers, definitely recommend you use it. Otherwise you can use a razor blade for this job. First thing you need to do is make sure that you've selected the correct diameter for your size of cable. Once you've done that, you simply place the coax probably 3 or 4 mil max protruding out the other side, and you should see there's an arrow that tells you which direction you need to rotate the stripper. Just twist it 3 or 4 times, take that out, and you should find that it will reveal some of the solid core and also some of the braiding, just like that. Okay, next we'll fit one of the F connectors. Okay, so I'll show you on this offcut what you need to do to prepare the coax for the F connector. So depending on the type of coax that you've got, you may find, as well as the copper braid, you'll have a copper foil. If you've got copper foil, you can just remove that and just as evenly as you can pull back the braid over the black insulator. Once you've done that, you can then insert your F-type connector. Now, it's crucial to get a good connection that the white insulator is level with the black O-ring. So the black O-ring is just at the base of the screw threads. If you don't do that, you may find you get a loose connection after crimping. So let me show you how we crimp this. So basically we'll insert this into the crimper. There's a hole there, hopefully you can see that, where the coax goes into. Once you've got that in place, squeeze down, and that's it. It's nice and secure. Job done. We can now connect the F connector onto the B and C connector that comes with the kit. Plug in the 5-volt DC power supply, and we can now take a look at the kitchen. So for the kitchen, it's exactly the same process that we used in the lounge, only this time we used the box marked up receiver. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of the two TVs working in unison. So I'm currently in the kitchen, and as you can see, I'm able to control the Q box. This is because the remote that was supplied is Bluetooth enabled, so no need for any IR extenders. Picture quality is full HD and audio is exceptionally clear. Also, there is zero latency when switching channels or using any of the menus, unlike some of the other HDMI over coax extenders on the market. So all round, extremely happy with this setup and would definitely recommend it as an alternative to Sky Multiscreen. And if you're not a Sky subscriber, don't worry, because these HDMI extenders will work with any set-top box or streaming stick as long as it's HDMI. As you can see here, I've rigged it up with a Amazon Fire Stick. So hopefully you found this useful, and as always, any questions please leave in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.